Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? You're not alone. Many creators face the same challenge, but the secret to overcoming it lies with vidIQ. Stay tuned to discover how vidIQ can unlock your YouTube success. vidIQ is a powerful tool designed to help YouTube creators like you optimize their content and boost their success on the platform. With its advanced features and insights, vidIQ can be a game changer for your channel. As a YouTuber, you're likely no stranger to the constant challenges of creating content. From algorithm changes to competition, it can be tough to stand out. But tools like vidIQ provide the insights and strategies you need to stay ahead. vidIQ's keyword research feature is a goldmine for creators. It helps you identify the most relevant and high traffic keywords for your content. By incorporating these keywords, you can improve your video's visibility and ranking. Plus, vidIQ's SEO suggestions can help you optimize your video for search engines. Another powerful feature of vidIQ is its advanced analytics. With vidIQ's analytics, you can understand your audience and what resonates with them. This information helps refine your content strategy and create engaging videos. vidIQ also provides competitor analysis, allowing you to see what's working for them. By analyzing their strengths and weaknesses, you can refine your own strategy. Many creators have experienced the power of vidIQ firsthand, achieving remarkable results. For example, one creator increased their views by over 500% with vidIQ's keyword research. Another creator boosted their engagement by over 200% using vidIQ's analytics. The point is, vidIQ works, and it can help you achieve the same success. Industry experts and creators alike praise vidIQ for its effectiveness. If you're looking to grow, vidIQ's Daily Ideas feature is a lifesaver. It generates video topic suggestions based on your channel's audience and trends. In a nutshell, vidIQ holds the key to unlocking your full potential on YouTube. By providing the insights and strategies you need, vidIQ helps you build a thriving channel. So what are your thoughts on vidIQ and its potential to transform your channel? Leave your comments below and check out my other videos for more tips on growing your YouTube channel.